Hello my good people, welcome to another video, another tutorial about another new song that I want us to learn. God of wonders, Yahweh. We're in the key of D. God of wonders, Yahweh. We glorify your name, Adonai. You reign, and forever you will be our God, Yahweh. Bow before your throne. See, that is a simple progression. So, in this key of D, that's the key of D. So, my right hand, I'm beginning here. You see? To put a sustain, you had this. The E note. God of wonders. You see? The three notes plus D. I hope you know the number system. That is our number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, and number 801. So we are here. God of wonders, Yahweh, we glorify. That is A major. Glorify your name. You have in that the diminished chord. Yeah, that is our number 6. Not a diminished, but the minor. It's a minor chord. Number 6, 7, back to 1. So, God of wonders, Yahweh, we glorify you, your name. That's a passing chord. Your name, Adonai. Look at that chord. I have a A, I have C, and I have F sharp. To begin, God of wonders, Yahweh, we glorify your name, Adonai. You reign. You see? I've just dropped a semitone. Passing. And forever you will be our God, Yahweh. We bow before your throne. Alright? So, this is what we do. Begin here. God of wonders, Yahweh, we glorify your name, Adonai. You reign, and forever you will be our God, Yahweh. We bow before your throne. So to repeat the whole thing. God of wonders, Yahweh, we glorify your name, Adonai. You reign, and forever you will be our God, Yahweh, we bow before your throne. Very simple chords and simple progression that can help you to improve. So thank you so much. This is Felix Piano Academy. Make sure you continue subscribing.